Good morning, friends. Welcome to my kitchen, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to dehydrate some apples because our local grocery store had them on sale for 99 cents a pound. So I already washed them, and now I am going to slice, and I have my slicer here set on the second setting for thickness. I think that's good. And I just have cold water in this bowl. I'm going to add a good old squirt of that, because you don't want them turning brown. I'm just going to get these sliced up. Okay. Oh, this is only 2 apples, and it'll probably fill up my dehydrator. All right, we'll get this going. There, now we're dehydrating apples. Okay, friends, now that my apples are dehydrating, I am going to make refrigerated pickles. So we need to slice up 7 cups of unpeeled cucumbers. And I just have this set on the number 2 setting yet, so we got some nice thin slices of cucumbers. Get these sliced up, and then I'm going to chop up onion. Then we're going to make our sauce. So we'll be eating these probably pretty much every night with our dinner. They are that good, so we won't have a problem with that. There we go. Now we need 2 large onion, so I'm going to do 4 small, medium, because that's what I got. I'm just going to dice these up and put them in the bucket with the cucumbers. And I do a rough chop on these. I like them somewhat bigger. Okay, now we are ready to make the sauce juice stuff. So in this pan, I need 2 cups of sugar, one cup of vinegar, two tablespoons of salt, And we're gonna get this so the sugar can get all melted, dissolved, I mean. I found me a set of Pioneer Woman on clearance for $70. I had to get it. Came with 12 pieces. And then we want 1 tablespoon of celery seed, but I don't put a whole tablespoon in because that's a lot. So about half. Okay, now we're gonna let this sugar dissolve. And then I'm gonna pour it over the cucumber and onions. And then it sits in the refrigerator. The longer it sits, the better it gets. Okay, I think this sugar is dissolved. So now we'll pour it over the cucumbers. And we'll just set it in the refrigerator. Don't stir it or nothing. All the juices will come out of the cucumbers in a while, and they are so good.